In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy table from Grok output to Google Sheets. First, open your web browser and head to Google. At the top right of the page, look for the small grid made of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps menu. Click it to open the panel of Google Services. From there, select Sheets to launch Google Sheets. If you're prompted to sign in, do that so you can create and edit documents. On the Sheets home screen, choose the option to create a blank spreadsheet. This gives you a clean canvas for your data. You can rename the file later if you like, but for now, we'll focus on getting the table in. Next, switch to your Grok window where the table you want is displayed. Make sure the full table is visible on screen so you can access its controls. Look for the copy icon associated with the table output. Click that copy icon. This action places the entire table, headers, rows, and columns onto your clipboard in a format that Google Sheets understands, so it will paste cleanly into cells instead of as plain text. Now go back to your new Google Sheet. Click once in the cell where you want the table to start. A1 is usually best because it keeps everything aligned to the top left corner. With that cell selected, paste the table. On Windows, press Ctrl and V. On a Mac, press Command and V. In most cases, the data will drop into the sheet with each column and row preserved exactly as it appeared in Grok. If the table seems to land in a single column or looks misaligned, first check that you clicked into one empty cell before pasting. Then try pasting again. You can also try your browser's standard paste if you used a different method the first time. Once the data is in, you can quickly tidy it up. To make columns readable, hover over the line between two column headers and double-click to auto-fit, or drag to set a custom width. If any header text wraps oddly, you can adjust text wrapping from the toolbar to keep headers on one line or allow them to wrap neatly. That's it. You opened Google Sheets, created a blank spreadsheet, copied the table from Grok using the copy icon, and pasted it directly into Sheets with a simple keyboard shortcut. Save your spreadsheet and you're ready to analyze, share, or format the data further as needed. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your streamlined workflow.